I believe we are live. We are now live. That was a little bit of a struggle, but I think we'll get the hang of it. So what has happened in the market so far? We've broke above our range from yesterday. You guys remember the range, right? Let's go to the charts here. So we broke past this range from yesterday. Marked off a little bit of support right here in this area, and we've hit a few key levels that are marked up here. First one was resistance. We did see a little bit of a struggle. If we go down to the smaller time frames, we saw a little bit of a struggle here from price as we reach this 4167 level, and then up here at 4175 I have a supply zone. Now if we look at that area, I'm gonna have to adjust my settings. Give me 1 second. Okay, this is what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for a quick scalp to the downside. I really think that we have a pretty good chance at seeing a pullback, and I'm liking this opposing zone, this transition control zone that price has just formed from 4166 up to 4168. 4168 would be my stop loss. So I'm looking for a quick scalp. It'd be great if we could get 20 points down here to support. So this would be our zone here, our transition to control zone, and then ride it down here for a pullback. I really think we might see a pullback before price goes to the upside. All right, let's do it. So if price reaches 4166, I'm gonna be opening some puts. We already saw that. I like the aggression here from sellers. We saw a little pullback up to 4165 and we held. 4166 is my level. If we can get up to 4166, because we are pretty overextended, I like to use the EMAs. I like to use the EMAs, and I'm noticing we are very overextended after that CPI data came through. Price just made a huge jump. Okay, so I'm getting in. 4166 just hit. It's a very small risk, okay, you guys. I know I'm going against the trend, but if we can see okay, I'm down. 4168. 4168's got to hold. If not, I'm out of here. Okay, I'm out. Okay, that was a very quick loss. That was a very quick loss. Okay. I have to respect my stop loss. Okay, so we're invalidating that zone there. I like the look. This is the reason I took it. Okay, I play the break of supply and demand zone. So I like this zone here, and I really like this strong push to the downside. Good volume, right? I know we have quite a bit of that's why I went lighter size. We do have quite a bit of lot of buying pressure here. So I was just looking for a pullback, and then continuation to the upside. But I was gonna scalp that little pullback there. I figured maybe we would oh wait, what's going on? Man, are you serious? The connection is poor. Give me 1 second. Testing 1 2 3. 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 No, it looks really good. All right, so far we've already taken 1 L. I was expecting 4168 to hold. We came all the way up to 4169. Okay, very strong selling in the tape right now. You see those big bubbles? Very strong selling. We do have accumulation here. All right, if we can break past 4163 and make it below 4161, this level is holding very well. This could potentially be it right there. Huh. Interesting. So if anyone doesn't recognize this tool, this is Bookmap. It essentially tracks the tape. It gives you the micro details, right? You can't, there you go. Boom. If we can get up to 4161, that's what I was looking for. I needed to retrace a little bit to 4161, and then I'll hop in. 4161, come on. My stop loss is gonna be 2 points. I need this to get up to 4161. I'm gonna get in right here. I'm in right here at 4160. It looks like it's holding, that's why. Stop loss is at 4163. So I mean, and look at the trend that we're forming, right? All right, we're up. Look at the trend that we're forming, right? It's a downtrend, clearly, right? Price wants to hover to the downside. It's gonna be a small pullback, a very small pullback. I'm gonna trim at 4150, and then I'll let some free runners ride down to 4142. So I need to see some continuation here. We're in the green right now. It's looking good. See, first one didn't hit, and I think my mistake was I didn't wait for a clear confirmation or a clear trend confirmation. Like it was the first pullback. But this one's confirming a downtrend for sure. So 4150, that's my first target right here in this area. 4151, we'll call it. Let's go back to Bookmap here. Very strong selling in the tape. All right, I'm gonna let some free runners. We're up 200 right now. Pretty solid. So what I want is, I wanted to get down to support, which would be 142. I have 2 contracts left. It'd be great if we get down to support. You know what? It's because look, I have support here, but if we can break past 4145 without any hesitation, then I'm going for 4142, but I kind of want to just secure my profits here. And we're up. Boom. 300 on the day. 300 on the day. Beautiful fucking play. Hey, look, first one didn't work out. We were down 60 bucks. I didn't get discouraged. Instead, we played our fucking levels, and look where we're at now. Boom. That was a solid fucking, god damn. We're up 300 on the day. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're up 300 on the day. Let's go. Come on. And 4142 just hit. I knew that was gonna hit. Look at the aggression. Strong rejection too. I knew 4142 was gonna hit. man, it 4142 hit perfectly. Very strong rejection. Very strong rejection. And man, what a beautiful fucking play. So let's go over, okay. Let's go over what happened here, right? So this was the first transition and control zone that I wanted to play. Okay. That was the first one. And maybe my stop loss was too tight because we did hit it perfectly. We did hit 4169 perfectly, and then we dropped from that point. But it doesn't matter. What I want to point out is after price broke past this transition or control zone, we now have a trend confirmation. We have a downtrend confirmation. And you can see it, right? Higher high, lower low, lower high. And once we broke past this point, that's a higher low. I mean, a lower high. No, I'm tripping. Sorry. Let's start. Okay, from the top. So higher high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low, right? And then I got in at 4160. I wanted to pull back into 4161, but then I noticed I was looking at Bookmap and I was looking at all those orders coming in, and I didn't think price was gonna get up to 4161. And that's why Bookmap and reading the tape is a very great tool because you can see the micro details. Like right now, we're technically looking at the micro details by looking at the 1 minute, but Bookmap shows you much more than that, right? It shows you the tape. So looking at Bookmap and noticing those things is very important. But yeah, 4160 is also psychological level. So you're gonna have a lot of people, getting into shorts right there. And look how price rejected 4142. Man, that was a beautiful freaking play. Beautiful play. I don't know if anyone's on the chat, but what a beautiful freaking play. We just scored a $300 play. Let me do that one more time. Yo, we are live. We just scored a $300 play. Where's everybody at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Yo, we just scored a $300 play. We are live on YouTube. Where y'all at? Let's post the link, man, because people don't get it. Yeah, so I got out, I guess you can say I got out a little prematurely here at 4145. I mean, Look, I missed it by 3 points. I'm up 300. I can't complain. From being down 60, once again, you can't get discouraged, right? You cannot get discouraged. Let's go ahead and grab the link. You guys have to share this because honestly, not too many people go live. Not a lot of people go live and do this for free, okay? You guys know that there's a lot of groups out there that charge on a monthly basis, and I'm doing this completely free. Okay, my intention is not to make money off you guys. I want to make money with you guys. That's what I want to do, but you have to recognize the value here. And I don't say that to toot my own horn, right? Like honestly, this for me is very helpful because I hold myself accountable, right? It's a way of holding myself accountable and showing up for you guys, right? But just like you, I'm still learning. We're still going through the market phases. I just feel like I'm confident enough now where, I can live stream and, we can make some money together. Like, that's when the good times happen. Man, if we look at the charts, a lot of people would have seen this huge, trend after CPI data came out, and they were gonna want to, find continuation. But as you can tell, yeah, we came down hard. I was expecting a move to the downside. We were way too overextended. Again, I like to use the EMAs. We were way too overextended, and I knew there was going to be a lot of people longing, and then we hit. Look at this strong rejection. To see volume, like high volume like this in pre-market is very unusual, right? Very strong rejection here. We made lower lows after that. We found some more sellers, and then right after we broke past this transition to control zone, we confirmed the trend to the downside, and what a fucking beautiful move, honestly. What a beautiful move. Let me get the link to... I gotta share this with people, honestly, because copy link. All right, let's see what's cracking. We're not done yet. I'm gonna be here probably for another hour, and maybe look for another play here. But we're up green right now. I'm stoked. I'm gonna get a microphone. I feel like that would be pretty good to have. Man, and if anyone's holding this, I wanted to secure profits, but if anyone's holding this, very well done. Very well done. I mean, yeah, there's a little bit I have a rule where if it doesn't violate my EMAs, then I'm gonna stay in the play. But I hit my targets. My targets got hit, so that's why I pulled out. Let's go back to bookmap. Ooh, you see that red block right there? That's a whole lot of passive buyers. It's gonna be very hard to munch through that liquidity. Very, very difficult for price to munch. Damn, that's a big red block. The more red it is, right, you can tell the difference right between this one and this one. The more darker it is like this, the more passive buyers there are. And this is taking up quite a big zone here. I'd be very careful right now. I'd be very careful. It's going to be very hard to munch through that liquidity. Very difficult. But it could also be a short looking to cover. So yeah, maybe just a short covering here because I'm not really seeing large aggression or continuation. The market moves based off aggression, not shorts covering. Real time, man. This is real time. Okay. I'm gonna be posting the receipts too, honestly. This is what I do. Okay, so right now, again, we're in this prices in this big order block or this big zone, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of passive buyers here, and it's going to be very difficult for price to get below this. So just keep that in mind. If we can see, look, if we can see some continuation, some strong effort to the upside, breaking past 4148, I'm gonna get in. Okay, I'll probably get in light, but I need to see some very strong continuation to the upside. Okay, I like the continuation here. Very strong continuation here. If we can, look, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, if we can see some speed here and just break past 4148, 4148, okay? If we can break past that with no hesitation, make higher highs, show increasing volume, I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna go light though. I'm gonna go light size, okay? But I need to see volume like this, right? And just some speed, break past through it, and have 4148 hold. And I'm only risking about 2 points, 3 points. You're not gonna find a lot of traders that risk as little as I do. And I know it's controversial, but I know how to invalidate my trades like this. Okay. I'm liking this. I'm gonna get in. Maybe I should have waited just a tad bit, but we're in. We're in. Yeah, I think I should have waited for a higher high. I got in as soon as 4148 hit. I think I should have got in when we made a higher high above that. The nice thing about the market is you can always get back in, right? So you don't have to stay. You can get back in. Don't hold your losing positions, please. So I'm in for calls right now. Okay, 4148, but it's looking pretty solid. It's looking pretty solid, okay? We're up right now in the position. Let it just play out. We have to break past VWAP here aggressively. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on, dude. You guys need to hop on the live streams. This is looking pretty good, okay? I'm expecting VWAP to, if VWAP could hold, right? Because we just broke past VWAP. This purple line here is VWAP. Okay, if this can hold, we're gonna make higher highs. And we might potentially see 4161. We're up pretty nicely on this play. We need VWAP to hold, okay? But you know, this is one of the things that I've noticed. Every time we break VWAP aggressively like this, we're usually going to the other side. Because if not, this trade would have been invalidated already. Because if it doesn't break aggressively, what it does, it just kind of rejects. But I'm liking this. It's finding value, right? You see how it's chilling up there. It's finding value. It's finding value. It's finding value, and that's what you want to see. That essentially means it's accepting that level. Dude, this is a whole lot of game. If if anyone is on here, I'm glad you're here. I'm excited for you. And this is just the beginning, honestly. I really want to do this. I'm super excited. I want to see continuation to the upside. I haven't seen any strong rejections. Like I said, I feel like we're just finding acceptance above this level. I'm glad that it's above VWAP. If we get below VWAP, you know what? I'll just let it play out. Let's just let it play out. And I'm gonna target my first entry at 4161. I'm in light size, you guys. I almost wish I would have went full size, but I can see there's a lot of volatility, and I've already secured, you know, a good amount. I don't want to risk it all. So right now I'm light. I'm in light size, and if we can get up to 4161, Right now we're up. We're about to be 10 points. I like to secure profits at 10 points. That's just me. I like to trim a little bit off my position. I'm gonna secure. I'll give it a sec. I'm gonna secure a little bit here. I'm gonna let one free runner. Like I said, I like to trim a little bit off my positions. I'll probably be here for another hour or so. All right, so again, we're still in this play. I'm targeting 4161. I've already trimmed a little bit off my position. I got in at 4148 and then I trimmed at 4157. We are currently in this play right now. I already trimmed a little bit off my position here. This is the second play of the day. We're already in green. We are live, you guys. It's an open invitation, whether you're a beginner, an expert, please hop on, you guys. I'm gonna be here for another hour or so, and then we're dipping. Less is more, you guys. You don't want to be trading the market the whole entire day. If you're starting off though, I would encourage you to look at the market every single day as much as you can. You know, gain that screen time. But I've come to understand the ES, you know, pretty good now. So I don't feel like I need to be on here every single hour of my day. All right, so 4161 is, we're coming to our target now, and if we can, dude, yeah, I'm out. I'm out. 400 on the day, baby. 400 on the day. And you see, look at that strong rejection right there. Let me show you in the charts. Very strong rejection, increase in volume. That's a great target, you guys. That was a great scalp from 4148 up to 4161. I know it's not the biggest move, but we caught the biggest move. Hey, we caught the biggest move. We caught the biggest move. How we doing here? 22 views. Oh no, I'm not looking. Is anyone on here? I repeat. Let me go check. Let me check out what's happening over here. Right. That's what the pros. The pros are they're very well aware of everything. Right now. Yeah, there's no one on here. That's crazy. Yeah, there's no one on here. We're up 400 for the day. When I've secured a good amount, I don't look to over trade. So I might just be here for another hour, break down the market a little bit, and then dip. And I like to show receipts because there's a lot of people that fake this shit. I'm up every single morning, dude. I'm up every single morning. I don't miss a day. I love trading, so that's why I show receipts. I don't show my receipts to show off um or anything, honestly. I just do it because I know there's a lot of people that fake this shit. So I just want to be as authentic as possible and you know give you guys a real impression of me. We start off with one loss, one win, one loss, a very small loss, one small loss, right? One small loss and two big wins. You always have to keep your losses small. Keep your losers small always and get the winners to be as big as possible. So now the market has kind of slowed down a little bit. Not much action, but dude, we caught two beautiful trades, man. Two phenomenal trades. And you'll see I'll be active on Instagram for right now, just to kind of get the live streams up and going. I want people to hop on these, because I really think that I want people to join the live streams, honestly. All right, well, it's been a good day so far. I'm not looking for any more trades. Okay, I feel like the market at some point today, it could be right now, it could be a few moments from now, the market will exhaust, because we have been seeing a lot of volatility, and this isn't normal for the market to do. Right, it started off with CPI data. Let's go off to the charts. CPI data. I mean, you notice the aggressive movement. I mean, look at this aggressive move here. Very aggressive move after that CPI data, and then another aggressive move to the downside. And at some point, you know, market's gonna die down a little bit. So I think we caught the better start of it, or the better part of it. Yeah, so just to recap, right? So we obviously see the big move to the upside. Price hit one of our zones up here. I had it marked at 4175, but we noticed a very strong rejection. And if we go down to the lower time frames, we notice a very strong rejection here, right? And if we go smaller than that, you'll see precisely where, you know, look at that strong rejection. The way the candle closed, the way it formed, you know, that's signaling a strong rejection. We then move lower low, which gives us an indication like, hey, there are sellers here. It's not just fuss, right? You know, we talked about how the market moves from effort. Well, this is effort right here, effort to bring it down after we hit, you know, a key level. We brought it down. This is where my first loss came in, was I tried to get in right here in the transition to control zone. We broke past my 4168 stop loss, and I got out because I have to respect my stop loss, right? And I'm disciplined enough to where I don't have a legit stop loss. It's more of a mental stop loss, but I always respect the stop loss because I know exactly when to invalidate my trades. So this didn't work out, right? But right after we see a very strong seller or sellers step in the market, we broke past another transition to control zone, and then I got in at 4160 because I noticed on Bookmap there were a lot of sellers coming in. And then also 4160 is a psych level. So from there, I trimmed at 4150. We trimmed at 4150. And then I got out entirely at 4145. and then you could have held it for a few points lower, but I wanted to secure profits, and I thought those were two great targets. Again, I always like to trim. Did the same thing here. We bounced off of this zone. Strong buyers. We broke past the transition and control zone, and now we're up here, right? It was a I mean, there's no better way of playing that. Like that was a phenomenal play. That was a phenomenal play. I really don't want to overtrade. I think I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I've already secured 400 bucks. I'm good. I'm good for the day. I really don't want to overtrade. I might hop on the market later today, but it's been pretty successful. Today has been pretty good. Ugh, about time too. These last 2 days have been horrible. Like yesterday was a mess. Let's go looking back at yesterday. Yesterday we had this crap right here. Like very tough to trade this. Very tough. I placed one of my first trades yesterday. I think it was around here, looking to the upside, and then I think I got out right at this support line here. It was a super quick scalp. And then I tried playing it the other way, and then I took a loss there, and then I was like, after that, I just noticed, you know what, we're just gonna range. And then considering that CPI data was gonna come out the next day, typically market doesn't move all that much. It doesn't move all that much when there's like major news release coming out. And then the day before that, we were stuck in a very tight range from 4156 down to 4141. And I didn't take any trades here. Because it was just I didn't identify anything that fit my plan. And then last week wasn't too shabby. But yeah, that's pretty good day. I like it when as a trader, you have to like the volatility. This right here cannot scare you. You have to make peace with volatility. Trust me. I know it scares a lot of people. It freaks a lot of people out how fast price is moving, but this is where you make your money. And honestly, it's better for us as traders is we sit less in the market, less exposure to the market, and we just grab our quick moves. Boom, boom, right? From here to here, bam. From here to here, bam, right? Crossover, bam. Crossover, bam. In between the legs, crossover, bam, right? You don't want too much. You just want a quick move and then go get a bucket. I'm going to get a mic, so I will be sounding better. I think it should be here on Thursday, tomorrow. I will be sounding better. There's no one on here. That's a shame. I have been noticing a lot of people following me. And right now, Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day today. I think it's great that I'm finishing up early. That way, I get to work on other stuff today. We have quite a bit. You know, I have cheat sheets that I want to make for you guys. I have, you know, you have to go hit the gym. Right, there's a few things, and it's Mexican Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms, all the great moms out there. Text your mom. Let her know that you love her. Like I said, the market, after such a volatile movement, it's gonna, at some point, it's gonna rest. If you guys are on the check-in, like the video, like and subscribe. There's not a lot of traders doing this. There's not a lot of traders doing this. I'm debating whether I want to play ball today or just get a workout in. Played ball yesterday, and I think today would be a pretty good day to ball up. I'm just thinking about the time. I don't know if, I'll be cutting it short. I have quite a few things to get done today. Excuse me, I need to go pee. Everywhere I go. Like some tea, baby girl? Yeah. If anyone checks in, please don't be shy now, okay? I know you might be the only one, but it's totally fine. Okay? I know you might be the only one, but it's totally fine. That's a very good point. You have to go with the flows of the market. I've said this before. You have to bend your rules sometimes. I've said that before so many times. Um, like yeah, it's important to have strict parameters, but sometimes you have to adjust to the circumstances. Because I've also said this, you can have quote unquote the best setup, but it means nothing if you're not playing your setup under the right conditions. It means absolutely nothing, right? It's like me saying like, hey, you know what? Like I have the best crossover, right? But I'm over here playing soccer. Like it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. That's why you have to understand the context and then also have a really good setup. Like if you can do those two things, those are the two things I encourage all traders to do is understand context and have a really good setup. All right, we'll be here. We'll be here for another 45 minutes, and then we're out. What?
I thought you were done live.
No, I'm still live streaming. I don't want to exceed 2 hours though, because then I can't chop it up with this thingy mabobber. Yeah. Do you see my story already?
The YouTube link? That one?
No, there's another one I posted.
No, I didn't.
We had a pretty good day today, baby girl.
That's good, brother.
Pretty good day today.
That's good.
all on YouTube. There's no one here, but I want people to be here in real time.
They'll get there.
Yeah. I'm getting a lot. I've already gotten like 20 subscribers. I'm sorry, no, not subscribers, followers.
On Instagram?
Yeah. I think it's from me boosting my reel.
Nice.
Yeah. I've been seeing a lot more activity on there.
Well, for 5 days, right? So it'll
Yeah.
post for 5 days.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna be active too. I've already posted like 10 times today, so people are gonna be like, oh shit.
Hopefully they're like legit people who are interested, not
Yeah.
just like these randoms.
Yeah.
It's really good though.
This play right now, I already trimmed a little bit off my position here. This is the second play of the day. We're already in green. We are live, you guys. It's an open invitation, whether you're a beginner, an expert, please hop on, you guys. Trading is phenomenal. Like for the amount of work that you have to do. Whew. It's a skill that no one can take away from you. Right? Like now you spent 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever amount, right? You learn the skill. And now it lives with you. Of course you have to practice it and expose yourself to different market conditions, but once you have that shit down, you have it down.
Yesterday, is this person following you? Because they followed me.
Oh, I think so. Yeah, that's a fake one though.
Oh.
Yeah, because there's a real mentality trader, but then there's a bunch of fake accounts that just post the same thing.
I don't know what mentality trader. I thought that was just.
Oh, it's just the account.
I think it's because I posted you on my story, so it's just like. Oh. I was like, no, wrong account for me.
I wouldn't be surprised if you message me.
Message you?
Message you.
It's been like a few days.
Oh, that's yeah, because they'll follow you and they'll be like, oh, you're just in trading, and they'll try to get you like, they'll try to scam you and shit.
I'm gonna go Monday to, I have it off. And
You're getting letters for business credit.
have
You got one? Okay, good.
I got one from Citi, but they were offering shitty cash
Yeah. That's the one I was referring to, baby girl.
Yeah,
The city one.
they were offering 200 if you put 5,000 into the, if you open an account and you put 5,000
Oh, 5,000.
within a certain amount of days, but I would just put 5,000 right away.
And you get $200.
Yeah, but like if you put 200,000, they give you $2,000 back. I'm like, that's a lot of money for like a little bit of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was also thinking I do the. I don't know. I want to see what else I get offered.
Yeah. Don't go with this.
Yeah, but But I was like, 200? Come on. Give me more. Give me like 10% of that. Give me like 500.
I didn't put
What, a bag in it? You just put water.
Yeah, boil water for us. Would you like some tea? I may want to take this off. Just remember. There you go. Oh, whoa. So we're just in a kind of just chilling in this area. We're not breaking past this. I wouldn't want to short that. I'm not interested. Because a lot of people want to short this, and I want to do the opposite of what everybody else wants to do. A lot of people want to short this. This is more like this 4142. It only acts as a good target. It's a good target, but it's not a good entry. I think I'm gonna hop off here. At 8, we're hopping off, and happy trading to the rest of you. I really hope that I can see, some people on here. So I'm part of Red Panda Academy. I don't know if anyone's familiar with that group, and I'm thinking Red Panda Academy with Ian, the master investor, right? So I'm thinking if I should, when we have, if anybody knows, when we have those Zoom calls, those stock club calls, I'm thinking if I should propose to Ian, or I think I should ask Ian. I should definitely ask Ian if it's okay to shoot my link, right? that I'm trading live every morning. I haven't missed a day, and I want this to be like an accountability call, right? No charge to you, no charge to anyone. I really just want to meet people and trade together. Like, how cool is that? To be able to trade with other people, like, that's awesome. And we called that thing out perfectly, honestly. We called that thing out perfectly. To the T. That shit that long. That shit that long. I've already placed 3 trades. I definitely don't want to overtrade. I'm in green. There's no need to chase moves right now. Right? In hindsight, maybe we could have gone in. Maybe we could have gone in after we broke past, this opposing zone here. This was a zone that was holding up price as we broke through it. Maybe we could have gone in here. Bless you, baby girl.
Thank you.
Maybe we could have gone in here after we broke past this opposing zone. Price has just been making lower lows, and that would have been 4153 down to, that would have been close to a 30-point move. Wow. That would have been good too. I mean, in hindsight, everything looks good. In hindsight, everything looks good. I just, again, I don't want to play zones that, I want to play zones, I don't know. No, because the thing in too is, like, we hit a target here, a zone here, right? Very strong zone here. Strong rejection. So that's the first signal. Second signal and the confirmation is after we broke past this opposing zone. That lets us know, like, hey, there are strong sellers. And just looking at this candle here, I mean, right after this happened, look at the strong sellers that hopped in. Very strong sellers. Same thing that happened here, right? We bounced off of this, strong sellers, broke past opposing zone, boom. It's nothing more than just using the clues. That's all what trading is grabbing all the puzzle pieces and putting them together. That's why I don't like trading just off of one clue. I want to see several clues. I need to see, strong rejection, breaking past the zone, sellers or buyers in the tape. I need to see, all these things come together. It always works best when you have, a key level and then a confirmation. Too many people just have a key level. They're just playing key levels. That's it, right? But with a confirmation, what that allows me to do is put smaller risk, right? As I've mentioned, I only risk 2-3 points. I see way too many people risking way more than that. I know how to invalidate my trade. People don't know how to invalidate their trades. I know how to validate my trades immediately. If it doesn't go in my direction when I want it to, I'm out. Simple. And again, you can always get back in. There's a lot of people with thick skulls out there that don't understand that. All right, 5 more minutes in this live stream and then we're out of here. These red passive orders, though, it's something worth mentioning. You know, we keep seeing very large zones like this of just passive buyers. I'm just thinking that, you know, if we break past these, this is gonna get messy. Because sellers are in control right now. Sellers are totally in control right now. We've been seeing a lot of selling pressure. So, you know, if this buyer can't hold up the price, he's gonna have to buy to cover. I mean, sell to cover, and it's just gonna fuel a very large downtrend. You don't want to fall in love, I know. I'm not someone you should trust. I'm not gonna trade again. I'm just watching. I'm good for the day. I already placed 3 trades. I don't want to overexpose myself.
In trading. In trading, most of the problem behaviors are problems as the result of under control or over control. Under controlled behavior would be trading impulsively. I suddenly forget about my position limits and I'm trading much larger size than I should be. I'm suddenly not honoring my stops. I know I shouldn't be adding to a losing position, but I keep finding myself doing that as an under controlled behavior. In trading, Yo, you see rice? Just look, it's a dead market. Today serves as a reminder that sometimes we may not get.
All right, you guys, officially 8. I'm still talking to myself, but it's that time. Yeah. Deuces.